doing, Ketchup? Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? What kind of noises are those? I don't know.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. This is also my dog, Ketchup. Say hi to the camera. Oh, okay, awkward. I'm gonna put you down. So today, I've been thinking about this for a long time. I really want to take off the wing on my Huracan just to see what it looks like a little more streamlined. Honestly, I think the wing angle is a little bit too intense. Just want to see what it's like without a wing whatsoever. So I've got the original OEM piece right here, which has been excellent wall art. But I think today I'm gonna wrap this gloss black and swap this out for the wing on the Huracan to clean it up. Let's do it. But before we get started, I wanted to give a special shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Honey. Honey is actually genius, guys. It automatically browses the web to find you the best coupon codes online to save you the most money possible. It works silently in the background, testing every coupon code available to save you the most money. Seriously, how smart is that? I'm not sure why everyone isn't using it, probably because you just haven't heard of it yet. Seriously, every time I saw a coupon box, I thought to myself, I bet there's something I could type in there that would save me money, but now Honey's got your back. Honey is super easy to install. Just go to joinhoney.com/vehiclevirgins, click add honey, click install, and boom, you're done just like that. Watch this. So I need a car cover for one of my vehicles, right? Shop online, click add to cart. This is currently $263. Honey pops up, coupon codes found, boom, I just saved $39. There is no reason not to install Honey today. It's free and it only takes 2 clicks. So click the link in the description below to download Honey for free to start saving money today, or go to joinhoney.com/vehiclevirgins. Let's roll. All right, let's go, Ketchup. Come on. Come on, bud. What do you think of the wing? What do you think? So this is the OEM piece. Now, why do I have 2 of these? That is because this wing actually goes through this piece and into the chassis, and I really didn't want to cut holes in the beautiful OEM piece of material. So this isn't an active wing. It doesn't do anything really other than just sit there, hold the brake light, and have an emblem on it. So I was able to get an aftermarket one. They cut a hole through it, they put the stanchions through, and put the wing on. But I'm feeling a wingless vibe right now, so we're going to take it off. We're gonna have to wrap this black so that it matches the rest of the car. Obviously green, it'll look terrible. And don't worry guys, I see your comments about the calipers. Trust me, I don't want them green either. We had to rush it to make sure that it was done for the show, and there wasn't time to paint the calipers in the colors that I want. Still haven't picked it. Might do red, might do white, might do black, might do the pattern that's actually on the car, on the calipers. We'll find out. First step, modifying the wing back to stock. Just showed up to my buddy's shop. It's time to get all of the adhesive off the wing from the Lamborghini logo and get that thing wrapped.
Got Chris over here taking the wrap off his M2.
Check this out, guys. This is my buddy Alan's M2 wide body. Absolutely savage. It's got a McLaren / also Cayman GT4 rear wing and some of the widest fenders I have ever seen on an M2. Look at that wing. I don't know how it took me this long to notice, but they've only got half of the body kit on the car this side. Now on the driver's side, they don't, but look how tucked. Look how slammed this car is. Now it's on airbags, so they can raise it up, but check out this fitment. Look at this. It actually looks like the body kit is going to slice the tire. Look at this. That is unfreaking believable. And there is the body panel. That is savage. What's the kit called? PSM Dynamic?
PSM Dynamic.
Heck yeah. I always find it really interesting to see the markings on the underside of OEM parts. So check this out. We've got an etched schedule that has dots for specific dates over on this side. We've got a plus and minus for who knows what reason. And then all of this Velcro, and all of that is from Italy. Let's get a better look at the piece that we are removing with the deck lid open. So we're gonna need to wrap it all the way down the side, and then if you remove the forged carbon piece, that's where it attaches down there. Now, we are headed later to Avant-Garde Exotics, or one of them is gonna come over to my house and we're gonna actually do the wing install. I'm excited for that one. A couple of weeks ago, me and all my friends were talking about wraps and what we wanted to do to our cars. And one theme we came up with was doing a bunch of old heritage racing liveries. Now, my friend Alan didn't actually know we were talking about that, and at the same time decides he wanted to wrap his car in the Tic Tac livery. I think that's gonna look sick on this GT3. All right, that just pulled up. That is freaking legit. Check this thing out, guys. Chris's friend just rolled up in an H1 with a 6.5 liter turbo diesel. This thing is freaking epic. The H1 was such a better looking vehicle than the 2 and 3. This literally looks like it was straight out of the military, which essentially it is. Look at the interior in this thing. It looks like a plane or a tank. The suspension on this thing is absolutely savage. Look at the size of those springs. Getting the gloss wrap cut out. That was RS Speed's titanium exhaust, and I gotta say, that's gotta be one of the best exhaust systems I have ever heard on a turbo. The Porsche Turbo is a very hard car to make sound good. They honestly all sound like vacuum cleaners compared to a naturally aspirated one or like the GT3 over there, but they did a good job with that exhaust. Finally, the lighting's a little less harsh, but they are just now finishing up the wing. I shouldn't really call it a wing, but the piece that connects to a potential wing. It's gonna be interesting seeing this car with no wing. It's been like this for over a year, but I wanted to change up the look, so let's see what it looks like. We are headed back to my place now, and Mitch from Avant-Garde Exotics is coming over to help with the install or deinstall. All right, so we've got the finished piece here. And as I've said before, that is gonna go right here. So hopefully all we have to do is open this up. We might have to take the fender liners off. This is why Mitch is coming, because I really don't know how to actually remove this, and I couldn't find a parts diagram anywhere. Then we've got this covered up. All we have to do is take the logo off and then put the rear tail light in. Should be good to go. And time to head home. All right, so we got Mitch from Avant-Garde. Good to see you, dude. He's gonna supervise me so I don't screw anything up, but apparently it's pretty self-explanatory, so let's get going. First step is to pop the engine bay. First step is to unlock the car.
This is fun, sitting back and watching.
Yeah, there you go. You don't have to do anything. And then where's the handy dandy $37 Snap-on tool? So normally, if you come this way, these little tabs can be undone using a quarter, but when you own a shop, you can have your Snap-on version of a quarter. And apparently this is $37, so we're gonna do this in luxury. There you go, sir. What's the next step? All right, now we've got these additional forged carbon pieces we've got to take off.
So, go ahead and remove such.
Nice. These things are sick. Next step is to remove the rear grille. Little bolts in here. All right, now we're switching the T25 bit to a T30. And getting rid of the bolts on the inside of the wing area here. All right, then apparently the grill should come out. Ooh. It's made of metal? It is. That's pretty awesome. All right, now we're gonna have to figure out how to take this off. We might end up pulling off this wing. Mitch knows how to do it for various aftermarket wings, but we haven't done one of these before. Shouldn't be a big deal though. All right, about to take the wing off. Alrighty. And just like that, the wing is gone. I actually do like the shape of this thing. It looks kind of like Batman. I do feel though that it was raked a little bit too steep, almost like an air brake. So figured we'd take it off. All right, now we're gonna slide this out. All right, and off we go. Oh God, that's a disgusting noise. And off we go. So this is the exact same piece that we just wrapped black, except this one I believe is some sort of composite material. So now we're gonna take the risers off. These are super, super sharp. I took these off one time for a half-mile event, and yeah, I almost killed myself on that. Oh, that one doesn't have it. That's lovely. And now I have a killing device. This is actually pretty sick. It kind of looks like a I don't know, like a California bear or a giraffe or a 1016 Industries riser. So here are all the components that needed to be removed to do this. We've got the grill, we've got the various forged carbon fiber panels that cover all of the bolts needed to actually get this undone. Then we've got the wing, and we've got this piece that we are going to replace. Now it's time to transfer some of the hardware from this piece onto the new one, and then put it back on. Now comes the scary realization that I started this project outside and the sun's gonna set in like 15 minutes. So hopefully this works out. Check this out. This is the GPS antenna. Got that Audi badge, classic. However, this rear light is Lamborghini. I love that little emblem. Made in Italy, just in case you forgot. I was thinking when looking at the design of this car with all the parts removed is how cool a rectangular exhaust exiting from here would actually look. It almost looks like it would be very easy to do and like it's set up for it already. Instead of the exhaust coming out down there, what if they exited here and here? Well, the good news is we only have the entire thing to put back together and it's getting dark, so that's a plus at least. Note, I did the removal, but putting it back together is a lot more complicated, so I let the pro do it.
You don't have to call me that.
Oh, I was calling... yeah. The moment of truth. Look at that. Can we just call it done?
Sure.
We still got a lot left, oh man. To the rescue. Slowly warming up.
That's the HI Disney's for you.
Look at those. Oh, look at that. We got the spotlight action too. Thank you, officer. Oh, that almost works as a workstation. Test, hit it. Nice. So a little update on the house. Today, the concrete driveway people came by and took all the measurements, and tomorrow they are actually dismantling the driveway. Now, I saw some comments that said, don't do the driveway until you finish the house. Now, I agree with you in certain areas. The total top of the driveway isn't going to be done. That entire round area, I'm gonna leave it because I wanna do some architectural elements and make that look really cool. But the actual driveway itself has so many potholes that it's almost impossible to drive my Ferrari down it. It's also gonna have rebar in it. It's gonna be extra thick. So hopefully it's going to stand the test of time with heavy vehicles going back and forth. Fingers crossed anyways. I'm feeling that if this was plastic, it would melt, yeah?
Well, it would. Half the time on the Gallardos, when they were that, even that kind of rigid ABS plastic, if you will, they always cracked, always had issues with just falling apart.
Gotcha.
So, Italians got smarter.
And then I'll slide it in. Oh, nice.
Get the red tap.
All right, we got the other side going in. Oh, thank you, sir. Yep. Well, now that it's completely pitch black and the camera can't see anything, this is the final piece to put on. You have a snap-on tool, sir? Oh, thank you, sir.
Did you take these out?
No.
There's clips that go there.
No. Uh-oh.
There was clips that went there.
Were there before?
Well, I didn't pay attention to look, but at one point, there is.
Oh, well, we did lose 2 bolts in the making of this film, but it shouldn't be the end of the world. I actually don't know if we lost it or not, but we'll check the footage and find out. And that's a wrap.